was messier than I thought it would be. Okay. I'm going to open a big old pack with like a lot of booster packs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 booster packs, and certainly a lot of energy. I don't know why. What the heck? Why would I need these? I already have a full pack. Let's go. Yeah, these are all energies. Look at these. Another water energy. I think they're all lined up. Look at this. Water energy. Oh my god. It's messed up, man. What the heck are these for? What are these for? And why would I have dye in here? What? Why would I have 7 dye in here? Oh yeah. Oh my god. Why would I get this? It has so like a million stupid stuff, but I'll try it. I'm just kidding. It doesn't have a million stupid stuff. It actually has stuff that I need. Dude. Okay, 1, 2, 3. First one is Torque. That does 2 plus and 90 damage. Already a trainer. Oh, another freaking energy I pulled from the back. Crushing Hammer, flip of coins. If heads, discard an energy from none of your opponent. From one of your opponent. Okay, nobody cares. Only takes a freaking energy away. Poliworld is 30 damage and 60 Shentico or whatever. 30 damage. Cutie Flies, 10 damage. What the heck? Looks like Butterfly, not a cutie. It's not really cute anyway, so that makes up the problem. Drantony, it does 10 damage. Oh my god. Sparrow, 10 plus. Psyduck doesn't do any damage. Bro, what are you doing, Psyduck? Look at this. It's the same freaking energy. Look at this. And Butterfly. I can't open this. Oh, there we go. I was peeling from the wrong side. That makes the answer. But no. 3. Yeah, take an energy out. I know that was gonna be an energy at the back. What other energies at the back? Corsola, the 60 damage. Trumbeak, what the heck? Should be spelled Trump Beak. Does 10 plus. But I got another freaking energy. Move a basic energy from one of your Pokemon to another of your Pokemon. I don't get that one. Little does 20 plus. Sandygast, 30 damage. It's a freaking Caterpie. 20 damage. I have 3 of these freaking things. You give me another one? Oh, remember last video? I got 2 of them. Where was the other video before that? I have no clue. There's 60 plus damage. Moral, there's 10 damage. And an Ultra Ball. Discard 2 cards from your hand. If you do, search your deck for a Pokemon. Sting sucks! Why did I do that? Look at this. It's freaking Cosmemo. Whatever it's called. And I still have like 6 packs. It's pretty quick. I got a GX. Oh my god. No, I didn't. Nah. I can't open this. I got a GX. I know it. Oh. No, I didn't. Okay, look. I'm going to have a GX. Watch. No, I'm not. I mean, I'm going to have an energy. 1. Whoops. 2. Wait. And energy's going to be at milk. Energy! Oh my god, I'm so smart. Aquadanic, the 70 damage. Corcoral, the 20 damage and 60. My god. Another trainer! Put 2 basic energy cards from your discard pile into your hand. So much things with energy, which is pretty good. No, it's not. Bounce Sweet, just 10 damage. Oh my god. Do Piter with that. It's 10 damage. This thing's scared. Look at this. It's scared. Stuffle. He looks so cute. No, he doesn't. Oh, he's a bear, though. I almost killed him. Okay. Togmaruno does 30 plus or whatever it's called. If you do know its name, please don't put it in the comment below, because I really do know its name. Yeah, I really do. Because I don't know its name. Let me guess. This ain't going to be a GX. Sparrow, 10 plus. Look, 10 plus. I actually think I'm going to get a GX. I can't even look. Oh! It's Donald Trump! It's a freaking Donald Trump. God. Wait, I'm going to tell my dad this. Dad! I got Donald Trump. Mom, I got Donald Trump. Oh, nice. Yeah. I got Donald freaking Trump. Donald Trump's the worst person in life. If Donald Trump, if you are watching this, which you're not, please say this. I hate myself because I hate stuff like Star Wars because it's violent, Call of Duty because it's violent. Bro, you don't even like Mortal Kombat? Okay, I'll fight you with Scorpion. Does 110 plus damage. See, Donald Trump is weak. He's weak. I mean, what is he doing? Trying to slap you? The heck? So annoying, Donald Trump. But if you really are watching this, please, please, please never watch this again. You know why? You suck! You suck! But she's not watching this. I know this. Damn! There's gonna be an energy at the freaking back. I'm telling you. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh my god, it's already a trainer. How nice. I'm not even gonna read. Wait, what? After counting price, your price card into your, yep, it's weak. Pass a million or something. 10 plus. Hoo-wah. Draw 3 cards. This thing sucks. That's how I care about you. See, look. This is how bad I care about this kid. I'm gonna throw a football at it. Whoa! Oh, I missed. Anyway. That hurt. Okay. What's next into this little precious thing? Is it? Let me guess. Not a GX. There we go, and it's not. Customov, blah, blah, blah. Suck. Granola. Granola bar. You a granola bar? 20 plus damage. Sandy gas again. Please tell me why I got Donald Trump and 2 Sandy gas. Why? Why? Another freaking Caterpie. 20 freaking damage. I don't want to bend that. I think I already did bend it though. I got 4 of these. 4! You know how much damage it does. If you do, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life. Poliwrath, 30 damage and 80 plus. And you suck. Cloyster, 30 plus and 80. Oh my god, you're freaking Donald Trump. You suck, Donald Trump. Even though you're shiny, but you suck. Oh my god. I love taking Donald Trump. I'm sad because of you. I thought this would be hard to open. To be happy. Now you make me mad. I have the card. Look at this card. It's not it. 1, 2, 3. Trainer. I mean, not trainer. What the? It's not a GX. I know it's not a GX, kids. Don't follow my directions. Lily, I thought that spelled life. Look at it. Yeah, I'm not gonna read this. Oh my god. Shut, blanket. Blanket. Spin the 30 damage. I'm not gonna go EX. I'm not reading this. Young Ghost 10 damage and 20. Litten 10, 20. Pharaoh 60. Pharaoh 60. I mean. Paris 30. Look at this. Lollipop 30 damage. I mean 20. And it's another freaking Caterpie. It does. You know how much damage? 20. Yeah, and I'm not gonna get a GEX. I can't even look at this. I don't have this. I this. I'll have it again. But if I get this freaking card, this card, or this card, or what the heck? Where's the card? Where's the card? 1, 2. Wow, I already opened 6 packs. I need to count how many I do. I'm out of control. Should I open these tomorrow or right now? Tell me! I'm a pitcher. A baseball, no, I'm not. I'm second first base. I think I'm second in first base. Think! Which one should I do? Which one should I do? I think I'll open that. Today! Okay. Do this. The heck? Freaking Eevee. Doesn't do any damage. You suck, Eevee. I'm just gonna check through this whole deck to see if I get any cards. Oh my god, all of these cards I already have, right? And oh my god, all of these cards I already have. Look at this. I have that, have that, and have that. Oh my god, every card that... Oh my god. And guess what? This pack. I'm gonna get a GX. No, I'm not. Here's Johnny. Oh man. Where's all 10 cards? No, I messed the whole deck up. 1, 2, 3. I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. None yet. 1, 2, 3. 1. I'm gonna do this till 20 minutes of the video starts. Dun 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 dun. Did it. It's 12 minutes till morning. I'm just kidding. Da-da. Da-da. Freaking. Get off me, stupid ant. Okay, I'll just do it again. 1, 2. I'll do it 9 more times. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, how much times did I do this? 7, I think. I'll just say it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's 9 times. I'm gonna do it till 20. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, it takes this. Oh my god, it takes this many seconds. It's taking so long. Hello. One second later. Yeah, it's a final. Okay. I'm not reading this trainer. Pelipper, 60 damage. I had this last time. 30 freaking seconds. Durante. Freaking Diglett. Bounsweet. Grubbin. Poliwrath. Eradicate. Rattata. I don't know what to say. But thank you guys for watching this video. Wait, do I have any more left? Please say yes. Oh, wait, yeah, I forgot. I still have these to open. Oh, I did a flip. You know what should I do with this? Break it? No, I'm not going to break it. I'm going to keep it. And you probably don't know why. Touchdown. And landed it. Okay. So now, what do I do with this? Please. I think I know what to do. Oh, wait. I forgot. I need no wait. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. 1, 2. No, wait. Yeah. Wait. 1, 2. That's 5. 1, 2, 3, 8. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't care. I need 12 of them. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Bye. Peace out, suckers. I did not press the button. Okay, I'm gonna go up my bunk. I'm gonna get out from the other side. I don't know why my shower is still running. I gotta go. This isn't gonna be until 12 o'clock. So stay up. It's finally 12 o'clock. Guys, guess what? I saw a monster over there. See, look, a monster. Oh, God. I think that was me. Oh, please, guys, I don't want you to die.